How to delete watch history in Netflix on TV. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete watch history on Netflix on TV. First, open Netflix on your smart TV and log in to your account. Now select the profile icon at the top of your screen and open Account. Next, navigate to the Viewing Activity section. Then, select a movie or show you want to delete from the full list of your viewing history and click the Remove icon. Note that the mentioned steps may slightly vary depending on your smart TV's model. Now, you have successfully removed certain movies or shows from your Netflix watch history or cleared it completely. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.